Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. Gold almost every session brings us some surprises and riddles. So it's a very cunning market actually. I think that's even most cunning market. And together with the treasury bonds for trading, it's very difficult. So what the trick moment we have? So once again, if we'll take a look at the retail sale broker chart, you will see that here is actually the bullish grabber. So I do not have the MACD on the predictor here, but you could check it by yourself. And once again, we have to check this information on the futures market of the COMEX. So if we'll take a look at the COMEX leading contract, you will see that we have no grabber. So actually here is close below the MACD line. Once again, this is wrong information on a retail broker chart. This grabber is yet to be formed. It's not the fact yet that it will be formed. Just because we have really tough session, we have multiple PMI numbers across the board in Europe, United States. We have the Jerome Powell testimony later in the session, so it could bring the surprises. The pullback that we discussed recently has happened, but there are a few moments exist that, well, if you do not have any short position by far, this is some moments that maybe makes you to think about it and to stay aside for a while with a new position taken. So we just need to clarify a few moments and to avoid to be trapped with the deeper upward pullback that might happen in today's session. Although bearish context that we have on the daily chart is still valid, here is a confirmed trend stands bearish. We have the bearish grabber, so we are not canceling it yet, and chances on downward continuation really exist. But with the recent performance, we have two things to, well, that's not really good for bearish scenario. First one is that on the forward time chart, take a look that recently bullish grabber has been formed, and theoretically this grabber suggests taking out of this stuff. Whether it will be completed or not, we will see. But in general, this pattern increases the risk of taking the short position. Second, which is maybe even more important than the grabber, is rally. So take a look at the response. Yes, we have expected the pullback, but we do not want to see it in this way. It's like here. It's really thrusting out action from the 618 support. And this brings another risk factor, which is too strong currently for just common retracement. So we prefer to see the gradual pullback when we're trading market down, but we do not want to see the real fast acceleration. These two moments makes us stay aside from the taking the new short position. If, for instance, you have taken position recently on this pullback, so suggest it should be around 1840, confidence resistance 36, here it was slightly greater to the 618 level. But anyway, if you have taken the position here, you maybe think about the moving stops to the break even or grab some result from this from your position. So that currently market led us to do. But these two moments, it's not good for taking the new bearish positions, guys. And with the coming important statistics in Jerome Powell's speech later in the session, I suggest that, well, it would be better following the conservative approach and wait for a bit more clarity. Besides, here you can see market has formed a bullish reversal swing. So here is the reversal upper swing greater than the previous swing down, which has also increased some risk. So with this lots of uncertainty, market a bit nervous in recent few sessions. Personally, it's my personal approach. In these situations, I prefer to sit in the hands and see for more signs. It's of course not forbidden if you will try to anticipate some decisions, some directions, trying to make the bet on the PMI. This choice is up to you. I'm just sharing with the information that usually I'm watching, and when I see it, I'm just wait for a bit more clarity. So it's my personal view on the current situation.